Let's take a further look at some of the features of our Xerox multifunction device print driver. Again, to get to our print driver, we'll click on File, come down to Print, and here we can see that our printer is selected. It's our Workcenter 7855 in this example. We will click on Properties. Under the Printing Options tab, the first feature we have is called Job Type. So we have different job types that we can do. The first one is normal print. And what that means is if we click OK, the job prints. The next feature is secure print. We will enter in a 4 to 10 digit passcode. And this passcode is sent down with the document to our Xerox new device. When it's received, the job is held. Other jobs can't come in and go around it. It doesn't hold anything up, but the job does not print.
To release your secure print, once you get to the machine, you're going to go to Job Status, and you're going to go to the Secure Print Job tab. From there, you'll see your username and how many jobs you have pending. When you touch, the machine will ask you to enter your passcode. So the code that you entered at your print driver, you're going to enter it here too. So we had entered 1234, so 1234, and press OK. You're going to see your list of documents. So from here, you have the option to delete all of them, release all of them, which means you want them all printed, or you can actually select one at a time. Let's say I don't want this one, I can delete this one, confirm, delete. So then let's say I want the rest of them, I would just say release all. If I just want to print this one for now, I can select it and say release and just get that one.
The next job type is sample set. This is useful if you are printing a newsletter and say you have to do 50 sets, and we'll say the newsletter is 10 pages. This will just print one set and then put the job on hold. This will allow us to make sure that there's no spelling mistakes, the fonts are spaced properly, the pictures are how we want. It allows us to do a quick double check. And then again, we'll go to Job Status, select our job, and touch Release, and the rest of the job will print. Or however, if we've noticed that something's up, something's wrong that we didn't catch, we can cancel the job. The next job type is delay print. And this is really what it says. We can set it up so that at 3 o'clock in the morning, our job will print. And we'll come back here to the next one called Saved Job. This will allow us to save a job at the Xerox multifunction device. So for the job name, we can type it, or we can just use the document name. Okay? We can save it to a public folder. We can have it set up to print and save, and we can also save it to a private folder as well. So if we click on OK, we would then walk up to the Xerox device. There's an icon on the screen that says Save Job. We will touch that and we'll see a list of our saved jobs. This can be useful if you need to print forms, say example dental forms. The last job type is fax, but we will cover that in a separate video. And these are your job types of your Xerox device.